we all love, the most wonderful time of the year, Christmas. I'm your favorite shopper, Kelsey, and in this edition of Market Bag, I'm here at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market, where today we're going to be finding out the prices of the produce that you'll be using to prepare your traditional and hearty Christmas dishes. This week, I have a budget of $5,000. So walk with me as we fill our bag with goodies. Hi Richard, how has the season been for you so far? Is business good or are things slow?
It is okay, you know. It is okay, better than last year.
Okay. Can you tell me what are some of the factors impacting the prices of produce this week for people shopping for Christmas?
Well, as you can see, market suit the buyers because you see amount of people in the market, so you know the price is not that bad. There's only a few things that carry a certain volume of price, like sorrel, you know, that I will go up to a Christmas, and ginger. But otherwise than that, price is fairly reasonable and good. And the people them can come down and get them things and get them food and feel comfortable within themselves. Well, the farmer them realize say the Christmas people go and want food, so them overwhelm the market with food. So that is one of the factors we carry down certain things in the market because there's a lot of food here.
Well, there you have it. Those are the prices of some of the items you'll be needing to prepare your 2021 Christmas dinner. On behalf of the Market Bag team, I'm Kelsey wishing you a Merry Christmas. We'll see you next year, but until then, happy shopping and stay safe.